Psychologically, one of the most painful goodbyes is when you know that the next time you meet, the hello won't be the same. When you cut off someone from your life, they will never tell people the full story. They will only tell people the part that makes you look bad. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. You are not responsible for the version of you that exists in other people's mind. If they don't involve you, don't get involved. If they don't tell you, don't ask. If they don't invite you, don't go. Know your position in people's life. Do not overrate what you have received, nor envy others. He who envies others do not obtain peace of mind. Love yourself enough to never lower your standards for anyone. Never hurt a heart that loves you, because the same heart might never learn to love you again. Behavior is always greater than knowledge. Because in life there are many situations where knowledge fails, but behavior can still handle. When you doubt your power, you give power to your doubt. Sometimes life redirects you on another path to stop you from living your life in circles. Don't be afraid of change, embrace it. Most people keep their feelings to themselves because they believe others don't understand the pain. You are about to overcome something you have been dealing with. Your mind and heart will soon be at peace again. Be patient, everything will be okay. Sometimes you have to unfollow people in real life. Sometimes you have to distance yourself from people. If they care, they will notice. If not, you know where you stand. When you truly care for someone, their mistakes never change your feelings because it's the mind that gets angry, but the heart still cares. If you avoid conflict to keep the peace, you start a war inside yourself. Some people are going to reject you simply because you shine too bright for them. That's okay. Keep shining. When women cross their legs towards you, it's a subconscious signal of interest. Body language doesn't lie. One of the best lessons you can learn in life is to master how to remain calm in every situation. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. If you are looking for perfection, you will be looking forever.